Hi, my name is Oscar. I'm the CEO of Markusson. I'm here at the demo show. We are the manufacturers of automatic chain grinders. These are products that are manufactured in Sweden. 3 motors, that's the basic concept. It's all mechanical, no microprocessor involved. Basically, the whole concept of the Markusson line of products is that everything can be replaced. All parts of the product can be replaced. So people working out far away in the forest, they can order spare parts and fix it themselves. So you don't need to have someone service come over and reprogram or restart or go through that process. Why are we offering automatic chain grinders? You take away the human error. You have the efficiency of a robot. What they will do is they will do the exact same movement over and over again, which again comes back to the human error. Because if you're, for instance, working with a hand grinder, you will notice that the grind will get uneven. An automatic grinder will always do the same steps over and over again. The Grindomatic, it does all the chains from 404 down to 1/4 pitch, and it will do left and right cutter, and you can reset it to make depth gauge grind as well. You can buy it as a bench-mounted model, or you could include it with a stand and the pneumatic tensioner. And speaking of the pneumatic tensioner, the next model up from the Grindomatic is the Combimatic. The Combimatic is specially designed to accommodate the 3/4 pitch chain, which is popular here in Canada and South America. The 3/4 pitch chain is bigger, obviously, and it requires a little bit more power and a stronger set of parts within the actual design of the product. You can also reset it to accommodate 404 chain. That's why it's called Combimatic. 3/4 pitch and 404. A lot of the harvester heads have a top saw or a bottom saw with different types of chain pitch. This machine will do both. And it has a counter on it. The counter is designed so you put the number of cutters in the counter, and once the loop is finished, it will shut off. A lot of people came to us after we made these first 2 models and asked us, can you also design something that will do the raker, the depth gauge? Because obviously every chain needs to lower the depth gauge the more you take off from the chisel. So we went back to the drawing board and introduced to the market the Triplematic. 3 as in 3 in 1. It will go down and do the left cutter, the gullet, and the raker, one move. And then it will flip over to the next side, do the left cutter, and vice versa. So same thing with the Triplematic as with the Combimatic. There's a counter, and once the counter has done all the cutters, it will shut off. It comes with the chain tensioner, pneumatic chain tensioner, and it has also potentiometer, so you can increase or lower the speed. The Sensomatic will do everything like the Triplematic. What it does is that it senses which cutter is coming up. So if you have 2 left cutters coming one after another, it will sense that, and the head will flip back and go over and do the right cutter again. The Sensomatic also comes with a potentiometer, and it has a double speed on the raker because it goes a little faster. So to grind the entire chain, it will go a little bit faster than the Triplematic. The Sensomatic also has 2 chain tensioner wheels, so it will accommodate very, very small chains, still have the tensioner quality. It also comes with a lamp, a LED lamp, so you see exactly what you're grinding, so you get rid of everything. Perfect grind. It also comes with air cooling and an exhaust, so it takes all the dust down into the collector. So it's a clean and efficient and safe way to grind your chains. Our target market is anyone who works professionally with chains and bars. And our vision is to help the forest entrepreneur in the target market, anyone who works professionally with chains and bars, to become more profitable and sustainable in their business.